Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create a process mapping template in Lucidchart. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. Over here, click the login button. Then enter your email and click next. After that, type your password and click login. Once you're on the main page, click the new button. Then select Lucidchart to start a new document. Over here, click Create from Template. Scroll through the available templates and select the one that suits your needs. Click Use Template to open it in your workspace. Now, click on any shape to edit it. Then, to add more shapes, drag them from the Shape panel to your workspace. After that, if you want to change the text style, click on the menu bar. Over here, you can adjust the font size and formatting as needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.